Welcome to FreedomInHours, Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today. So today we're going to be looking at how far will crypto fall 2022. Now I've done a number of videos talking about cryptocurrency, about how worried we are about how it's going to fall. Now since I've done those videos, crypto has fallen quite significantly, in particular Bitcoin. Now I've done a video why Bitcoin is a bad investment, which you can see here, which kind of goes a bit of detail about why Bitcoin you shouldn't invest in it. But today I want to look at the broader crypto market generally. I want to talk about why when it's in such high territory, why it's pulled back now, and why I see further downside in it. Now I'm filming here from the Gold Coast, as you can see in the background there. Not quite a nice day, but a lot of money has been still tied up from interest rates being so low, and Gold Coast, for example, here in Australia, has been no exception. But a lot of people that are investing in Bitcoin don't have the money to lose. And this video is going out to you guys. You see, unless you have a financial education, unless you know what you're doing, investing in crypto is nothing but gambling. And in the next 6 months, you're going to find that crypto is going to fall significantly. Now, I'm not talking about how crypto is a bad technology. I think it's a great technology. It's going to be used a lot in the future. But as an investment, it really does suck. So anyway, about to jump in and have a look at that now. So as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let me know. And also let me know about what you think about the view here in my apartment I'm staying at in the Gold Coast. Anyway, time to jump into why crypto will fall in 2022 here at Freedom in Hours. So how far will crypto fall 2022? Well, that's a great question, and we see a lot of downside still at play. You see a lot of the major cryptocurrencies have dropped by about 50 to 60%. Some of them even dropped down by 90%. And the reason being is cryptocurrency was always held up by greed. Now you think about it, if you see something go up, you put more money into it, the next person goes into it, it's a fear of missing out, and it has an effect that pushes prices up. If you look at all the great tech stocks, for example, look at Netflix. That's dropped from all-time high. I think it's dropped down about 90%. Amazon's dropped, Google's dropped, Metaverse has dropped. All these stocks have dropped similar to cryptocurrency. And the reason being is when things are going up, people think they'll always go up. Property here, for example, on the Gold Coast, it's gone up by a huge amount. You could buy houses here for $3 million. They were probably worth about $750,000 only 10 to 15 years ago. You see, we don't think rationally as people. We think by emotions, we think by gut instincts. We think about, what am I going to achieve, what am I going to do? The smart people, though, do their financial literacy. They think about things, they study things, they look at patterns, they look at experts, they look at mentors, and they work out what they're doing. My big concern is, and this is where it came from, is I've spoken to a number of my subscribers on the channel, and they're saying, Andrew, now it's a great time to get in. It's an all-time low. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're down to levels you haven't seen for 2 years. I should buy in, they're going to make money. And I go, great. So what have you guys done to know about these investments? What study have you done? They're like, I've read a couple of articles. I'm like, okay, well that could be articles based on people trying to sell you into cryptocurrencies to make a commission. For example, people spam my channel all the time. Invest here, invest with this person. I said, so what have you done to learn about it? And a lot of time they've just watched the news, spoken to a taxi driver, spoken to a cleaner. Nothing wrong with this occupation, don't get me wrong, but these people aren't financially literate. You see, the challenge is, back when cryptocurrency was going up, it was all in the media. Going up, it's an investment, the hedge funds are doing it. Now going back, there's a lot of risk in the marketplace. So, and a lot of these people, for example, I don't know if you're at home, but only invest what you can afford. So, for example, if you've got $1 million sitting in the bank, then maybe put 10% into crypto. Go for it, have fun. But if you're working at home, you're working in a job where every day you go there, do 9 hours a week, 9 hours a day, 40, 45 hours a week, just have a little bit of money to save, you're supporting your kids and family, and you want to put that money into crypto? You want to take loans to go into crypto? It's madness. Don't do it. Now my channel is designed to help people out for financial literacy, investment, success, make them feel good about their lives. I've done so many videos about cryptocurrency because the people getting into it now are people that don't have the money to lose. We don't have to do it. Now, crypto is going down. As I said in previous videos, to be able to value it, the underlying value, it's basically impossible to value. The reason being is there's no financial fundamentals, there's no regulation of the currency, there's no way to peg it to any particular currency, and also there's around 250,000 cryptocurrencies, I think, and they keep coming onto the marketplace. So yeah, technology is great. I love the fact you can actually use it to go and transfer money to other parts of the world. What's that worth? I don't know. I use, there's got to be an income being generated from it. You can't just be making money from something that just doesn't have any intrinsic value. Now, I said in a previous video, Warren Buffett said if you gave me $25, I wouldn't buy all the Bitcoin in the world. He said it's got no intrinsic value. Now, this is a guy that's the most wealthy investor in history. He made his money through investing in companies such as Coca-Cola, building them up. Now, I've got to listen to what he's saying within this. Now, it's back when the dot-com boom happened. Even though I look like I'm 21, I was there when the dot-com boom happened, and everyone was saying these technologies were new. It was a new paradigm shift, people would say. They're saying the same with Bitcoin. History always repeats itself. From a tulip bubble mania to people buying salt back in the ancient times, people always get hold of a trend. Now, the cryptocurrencies will be here for the future. They will be used. Governments may bring out their own cryptocurrencies. It's exciting that way. But for you to invest in it, please don't do it. What other places you can invest in? Well, at the moment, the market is quite overvalued. Stocks are, real estate. As you see, bonds have turned around. So I'll keep my money in cash at the moment and look for opportunities. Interest rates in the US have gone to 8.1% now. You know, back when they were, inflation's gone 8.1%. Back when inflation was low and interest rates were around 0.25%, it was basically free money. Actually, money was, if you loaned out at like 1%, inflation was running at 3%, you're actually earning money on the cash you were given. So that's changed now. So there's no big pools of money just being thrown everywhere. So it's going to turn around. So hold your cash, invest your money, have a plan, and be financially literate. But if you want to sit there and go and buy cryptocurrencies with no financial literacy, well, maybe come and see me. I'll take you on a trip. We'll go to Star City Casino, just down the road here, Gold Coast, and we can go and do a flutter. And the great thing with a house is, I think blackjack's got about 85% chance of winning. I think the poker machines is about 87% chance, which is a lot more than you're going to win cryptocurrency. You see, if you invest in crypto without having insider knowledge, without having the market knowledge, without having the financial literacy about what's going on, or without being a market player, you're at the whims of the market and other people, and it will go down. So, put your money in the casino, but go and do your financial literacy. So I'll do some more videos about financial literacy, what kind of areas you need to look at. Now, you need to, obviously, you need to build your own passive cash flow. You need to start looking at buying assets that produce an income, then use that income to buy more assets. So we talked about how you can do videos such as this. I'm doing YouTube where I make money from my income from advertising. But anyway, make sure you reach out to me and let me know what you think. Crypto has a lot further to go. I would be surprised if we see another 50% fall, potentially back to prices we've seen back in like 2017, 2018. If you've already lost a lot of money, I'm really sorry. You should have got to this video earlier, but crypto will fall in 2022. How far will it fall in 2022? It is hard to say. I don't like to give numbers, but I talk about trends. The trends in the graphs pointing downwards. There's no financial fundamentals. It's a very risky category. So again, if you want to gamble, go for it, gamble. Just know that you're basically at the casino, at the roulette table. So hope you enjoyed the video. See my other videos about cryptocurrency. We've got a playlist. Reach out to me as well about your thoughts about this. But again, really appreciate you watching this video about how far will Bitcoin fall 2022. Again, we do love cryptocurrency. It's not that we don't like it. It's just as an investment, it's a very, very bad idea. So now make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining me here at Freedom, at Gold Coast, at Freedom in Hours.